Hey there, what's up guys? Welcome to the newest giveaway video from Ace Home Screen Setup in association with Just New Design. So a huge shout out for Just New Design for sponsoring this video and give the promo codes. Okay, first of all, couple of months back I have already reviewed the Lux Green Icon Pack and give away 5 codes. So this time I have conducted a poll on my Telegram channel and on Twitter that whether you want Lux Blue Icon Pack giveaway or Lux Red Icon Pack giveaway. So 68% of you have voted for Lux Blue and 32% voted for Lux Red color. So I talked with Junaid, the creator of Just New Design, and he is generous enough to give 5 codes of each one. So in this video I'm going to give away 5 codes of Lux Blue Icon Pack and 5 codes of Lux Red Icon Pack. So let's get started. If you are familiar with Lux Icon Packs, so you know that they are not only providing the icons, they also provide tons of wallpapers and widgets. So let's have a quick look on Lux Blue and Lux Red Icon Pack. Then only I can share the way how you can actually get the code. So first, starting with the Blue Icon Pack, there are more than 2700 icons in this icon pack. Along with that, there are 751 wallpapers. So as you can check, you can easily create tons of setups with their own dedicated wallpaper. So you don't need to purchase a separate wallpaper app or download from other sources. You can easily check from this app only and you can easily create a setup. In this video, I'm going to create a quick Blue Icon Pack setup, but before that let's have a look at the Red Icon Pack. This is also a cool icon pack. I just loved it. I have already created a separate setup on this. You can check that from the description or the link above on cards. So let's have a quick look at the wallpaper collection of red colors. So as you can see, there are plenty of rich quality wallpapers. As I said, you don't need any third-party applications or wallpaper apps to create jaw-dropping setups on your Android device. So as you can see, there are plenty of things. Not only that, there is a cool feature called request, through which you can actually send a request for a dedicated icons for a dedicated app if it's not already available on that list. So as you can say that PUBG Mobile Beta, or for example the Bongo app, it's a Bangladeshi app, so it's not included in this icon pack. So you can actually select this and you can send the request. It's as simple as that. There is a chance that in the future update you might get this icon and you can actually enjoy it more. Now let me quickly create a home screen setup with the Lux Blue Icon Pack, and after that I will share how to get the codes of Lux Blue and Lux Red. So keep watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video till now. Now let's talk about the giveaway. Okay, you just need to do one thing and you can win a promo code. All you need to do is just drop me a DM on Instagram or Twitter and ask for a promo code. Remember, you can only ask for any of these one icon pack. Either you can ask for blue icon pack or the red icon pack. You can just claim both of them right now. So you just make up your mind and then only DM us. Make sure you subscribe this channel for future giveaways and hit the like button to just give us a motivation. Make sure you check out the video on your screen. I catch you on that video. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon.